Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AWSM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I think I first started doing this one back around here, and now to see that it go up over 22 bucks today, just an absolutely crazy one. So yeah, did it yesterday, and I realized these lines down here all seem kind of goofy, but I promised yesterday they were actually relevant. But because they're not relevant anymore, what I'm going to do is just get rid of them now, because from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to cause clutter and confusion with lines all over the place. So let's focus more so on the near-term levels, and that way we don't have too much clutter. One of the newest areas of support that really kind of solidified itself today is right up here at around the $17.25 mark, give or take. I mean, this swing, if you watch it, big old spread on it, but right here, the general price congestion area from support at $17.25. So that'll be that near-term level of support. In the event that level cannot hold, next area to keep an eye on, or at least I'm more so kind of talking to myself, because these would be the levels I'll be watching. I did trade this one today, so from a disclosure standpoint, I don't own any shares right now. I did trade it, and I am interested in potentially trading it on Monday. So like I said, I'm kind of talking to myself here in terms of, you know, the levels that I'll be watching. So definitely the first level I'll keep an eye on is 17.25. Next overall level of support after that, right down here at that green line, 14.75, give or take a little bit. But from the big picture point of view, so if you're somebody in this that just, hey, Clay, how do I gauge the overall health of the chart? Just watch that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is just going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of things. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best, visualize that? No questions asked. Sure, staying above 17.25 would be great, but grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above the purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Shorter term one seems to be right here around the $21 mark, and then after 21, it's just simply where the party stopped today, and that was up there right around 22.65. So we'll see what happens with it next week, but definitely a crazy mover today, and crazy mover really the past several days, to think that this thing was just down at $4 not that long ago. But yeah, I'll be watching it on Monday. Let's see how it plays out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.